JaNyla wanna cook Daddy a meal. JaNyla, say hey. Say hey.
Hey.
She wanna cook Daddy a meal on her miniature stove. I want some chicken.
No.
Yeah, chicken. No mean yes to her, so she gotta come free right now. Make sure you wash my my bowl up. Yeah. She got all her food in here. There's nothing in there.
No.
We're gonna make a cook. Oh, you got chicken right here. Cook the chicken. Cook the chicken. Put it in the pot. Turn the stove on.
Put your top on your pot, Mama.
Where the top at?
Mama, put your top on your pot.
Oh, you got your storage right there.
I guess not in there.
The food done? You cook the chicken in a cup?
Cook noodles.
You get it done, won't you now? Put it in the microwave now?
No.
Cut the microwave on.
Cut the microwave on. Cut it on. Dick, dick. Good job. What's wrong with you? You done? I can eat it now? It's really good. Thank you. People say you welcome?
No. No, this is.
Can I get some water now?
No. Go.
That's a frying pan. What you finna fry?
That's it.
Huh?
5.
Huh? Fry me some peas. Put it on the stove.
Huh?
Yeah, put it on the stove. You gotta move that pot out of the way, JaNyla. Move that pot. Take that pot down.
Huh?
Take it down. Yeah, this. Put that one in the cabinet. Like that. Huh, stir it up with it. Gotta stir it up. Yeah, Daddy finna teach you how to cook, okay? Good job. Is it done yet? Are you eating now? Thank you. It's good. I'm thirsty now. You got some kind of juice or something?
No.
Give me some water. Water in the cup. Yeah, in the pink cup now on the floor. In the cup, in the pink cup. Yeah, that, yep. Put some water in it. Cut the water on. Look, water. Put the water in there. Thank you. Thank you, it's good. I'm sleeping now. Get your baby some. Wake your baby up. Wake the baby up. Yeah, wake the baby up. How you wake the baby up? Wake up. Hello. Oh. Don't do that. You're gonna suffocate the baby. Where the baby passing? Go get the baby passing. Go get it. You know where that? It's not there. JaNyla. Say like and subscribe. Say bye bye. See you later. You finna go grocery shopping?
No.
Move the cup.